Hi friends, I'm Dr. N V Dhandapani from MDC Coimbatore. Today I would like to share with you the fasteners and selection of fasteners. Generally all of you know that the fasteners like bolt, nut, washer, stud, rivet, nails and so on. There are many fasteners, more than 10 fasteners are available. Right. So each and every day industrial applications without fasteners we cannot do the product development or product manufacturing. Right. Any two metal joining process that may be in the welding, rivet, and by using fasteners, and so many things are there. Particularly the fasteners, how we are going to select it depends upon the like type of application where we are going to use such type of fasteners. That is number one, and selection of material, the fasteners material, and third, the most important applications like size of the fastener and also compatibility. That is very important for selecting the fastener. Suppose say for example, if you take, I have a two component like this is the a simple application for there are two components are there. I am going to fit both the components. So what I am going to do is, there are many applications are many methods are holding this particular two components. Suppose I am going to select by using the fasteners. See, say for example, we have a screw. I can connect it by using this hole, right? Yes, and corresponding washer I am fitting. Apart from this, we have a nut. So by using these three components, these three fasteners, I am going to hold this particular product. And moreover, load application is very important while selecting the fasteners. Suppose say for example, if you take the same component, here we have a 4 number of holes. Why these 4 number of holes is required? So anyway I am holding in the top positions. So if I want to hold the remaining positions without holding this, we can get the oscillations like this. And moreover, there is no perfect fitting. For that reason, I have to giving the torque in tightening this, then it will be fitting perfectly. And even though if it is perfectly fitting, suppose instead of the vertical load is applying, there is no movement, right? Vertical load is applying on this particular location, so this is withstanding, no issue. In case is there any horizontal load is acting on this particular location, it is moving or it is oscillating like this. To hold or to arrest this particular movement, again we are going to use the fasteners like this. Correct? What will happen without this particular fasteners? It is taking the oscillation. To avoid such type of movement, we have to arrest that particular location, and moreover, the load will be transferring on both vertically as well as in horizontally. So that is the reason, depends upon the load application, we have divided into number of location, we are providing the whole corresponding fasteners also we have to fix it. Then only the product will be perfectly fitting on this particular location, and load distribution also will take place very equally. And another important is, you can take this is the component. If I want to fit these two components, there are two plates are there. By using the fasteners, how we have to fixing the two plates? You can assume this is the two plates, right? So I am going to handle these two plates by using, either I have to go with rivet. If I want to make the permanent joint, I can fix it the rivet, then I can put it the force automatically. It is the fixed type of fasteners we are using. If I want to make it must be anytime it is detachable, then I can use bolt and nut. Correct? By using bolt and nut, and moreover, the very important is wherever you are selecting the bolt or nut, so specific torque also, that's very important. You are providing the torque to tightening that particular bolt or the nut, so that the component will be fixing perfectly, right? And anytime you can remove it. That is also the most important while selecting this. And the another important is, like you can take, this is the bolt and nut. So here we have a bolt as well as a nut. Suppose assume how much is the size of the bolt. You just measure it. Yeah, here we have 16 mm. So 16 mm means the diameter of the bolt is 16 mm. When you are selecting the bolt, maybe in the 16 mm diameter, corresponding nut also you have to select the 16 mm diameter. So if you are tightening this particular component, see anyway this component is, this fastener is already corroded. So depends upon the application we have to select. Most of the component will be, or most of the fastener should be without any corrosive resistance. That should be working long life. So once if you select this type of fasteners, what will happen? Depends upon the load application you have to select corresponding nut and load, as well as in the bolt will be equal size diameter. And sometimes what will happen now, the length of the thread maybe sometimes a full length thread is also there, and partially the length is free and partially the thread required. So those the details will be important while selecting the fasteners, right?